Today, we congratulate Donald Trump on his remarkable journey to becoming the 47th President of the United States. Many may wonder, what power drives someone to achieve what others deem impossible? The answer lies in the secret principle known as the power of assumption. This power, when wielded, can turn the unlikely into reality, transforming dreams into truth. Tonight, we'll explore this transformative power in depth. I will reveal how Trump's victory wasn't a matter of chance, but rather the result of an unwavering conviction in his own mind. We're about to uncover the simple, profound truth: what you assume with feeling and faith is what you create. By the end of this journey, you'll know how to harness this power practically to bring your own dreams to life. Let us begin with the first principle: imagination is the root of creation. Donald Trump saw himself as the president long before the world saw it. He didn't just wish or daydream. He made the conscious choice to assume that he had already succeeded. This is what I want each of you to understand tonight. You must learn to trust the images you create in your mind, because they are the blueprint of your future. Hold them with confidence, not as dreams, but as facts in your heart. This is the foundation of the power of assumption. Think of this power as planting seeds. When you plant a seed, you don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You trust in the process, nurturing it with water and light. Likewise, when you assume a desire fulfilled, you don't need to question it. Simply water it daily with faith. By continually feeling the state of your desire already realized, you nurture its growth into reality. Let me break it down simply. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. If you desire something, feel now as if you have it. Speak, act, and think as if you are already living that reality. When doubts or distractions arise, gently return to your state of inner conviction. Do not let external voices or fleeting fears shake you. Remember, only you hold the power to create your reality. Now let's dive deeper, asking ourselves, how do we use this in our everyday lives? Imagine a child dreaming of becoming a world-class musician. Each day, he practices not just with his hands, but with his mind, assuming the feeling of standing on stage. He sees himself there, feels the applause, and lives as though he has already arrived. This is what I call living in the end. See yourself as the person you wish to be, and every aspect of your life will rearrange to bring that vision to fruition. Consider this also as a lesson in faith. Faith, dear friends, is the bridge from the invisible to the visible. The power of assumption requires not blind belief but a committed, practical faith. You do not need to see proof before you believe. Instead, you believe because you know that creation begins within. This understanding, this simple yet profound truth, allows you to walk in confidence even when you cannot see the path. Another essential key is single-minded focus. Many people dream of 100 different things, constantly changing their desires and goals. But to make the power of assumption work, you must prioritize one desire at a time, nurturing it until it blooms. Like a gardener who tends to one plant with care, avoid the weeds of distraction that may steal your time and energy. Know what you want, set your focus there, and pour your attention into it with unwavering faith. Let's talk about inner conversations, because they are more powerful than you may realize. When you speak to yourself, do you speak as a victor or a victim? Imagine talking to a friend about your dreams. How do you describe them? Be mindful of this self-talk, for it is the silent architect of your destiny. Begin now to replace every doubt with a word of faith, speaking to yourself as though you already are the person you wish to be. And of course, patience is paramount. The power of assumption is not bound by time, yet it requires consistency. Just as you cannot rush the sunrise, trust that your desires will unfold in the perfect moment. Have patience and continue to nurture that vision with peace, knowing that each thought, each feeling, is adding to the building of your reality. Believe, dear ones, that this power is within you. It is as natural as breathing, as intimate as your heartbeat. Start small if you wish. Imagine yourself as confident, as joyous, or as healthy. Feel that state within you and trust it to manifest in its perfect form. As you apply this in your life, remember Trump's victory is simply an example of what each of you can achieve. Your dreams are valid, and with the power of assumption, they are closer than you think. Go forth with faith, with determination, and with the knowledge that your inner world holds the key to your outer one. So, I leave you with this last thought: trust your imagination. It is not a mere fantasy, it is your canvas for creation. Embody your dreams with conviction, and watch the world reshape itself to your inner reality. Thank you all for joining me tonight, and may each of you walk away with the courage to trust in the unseen. Embrace the power of assumption and remember, you already hold everything you need within.